Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the G-TiDE Smartwatch. Yeah, you can answer and make calls with that smartwatch here. A built-in 300 mAh big battery is installed. Wi-Fi 5.2 heart rate, blood oxygen temperature fitness tracker comes here with Bluetooth 5.2. This is a smartwatch for Android and iOS systems. It is IP68 waterproof and it comes in black or gray as you can like. 300 mAh big battery can support 24/7 heart rate monitoring, analyze our sleep quality, and measure our blood oxygen and our body temperature, stress, and mood in real time, lasting for 10 days. The Wi-Fi 52 sensor is more accurate than the others. Also, all these functions can work accurately same on dark skins. No prop for it. The fitness watch supports 24 sports modes such as outdoor running, cycling, rope skipping, swimming, etc. It also can synchronize the data like calories, steps, and distance during exercise with the connection of the G-TiDE Fit Pro app. The app name is G-TiDE FIT-PRO, which helps us to live a better life. IP68 waterproof watches, that means water resistant up to 10 meters. We can swim with this smartwatch easily. This BLE 5.2 smartwatch, Bluetooth protocol, with text and call, can easily connect to our smartphone. We can directly dial and answer calls on the screen within 10 meters and receive text and app notifications immediately. That means SMS, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc., etc. We will never miss important messages. The G-TiDE Bluetooth smartwatch supports multiple languages and has many functions such as music control, alert clock, weather, remote camera system, sedentary reminder, and vibration throughout the connection with the app to G-TiDE Fit Pro. We can see it more clearly on the 1.32 inches color screen. The smartwatch is compatible with iOS 9 and above and Android 4.4 and above on our smartphone. The G-TiDE R1 smartwatch is a great and really cool smartwatch which is easy to handle and comes with nice functions like Bluetooth call, 24/7 heart rate, temperature measurement, sleep tracking and sleep score, message notification, and up to 10 days battery life. And 24 sports modes, built-in professional sensors, allows us to check our data via our smartphone easier and of course clearer. This makes the everyday training or workout counted. The smartwatch can help us track and show our training effects to us, giving us a healthier life with that feature. And simply pairing mode. We can choose. We can scan the QR code to download the app. On the menu, we open the mobile location services and G-TiDE Fit Pro location. We open the G-TiDE Fit app and go to device, add device, and we search Bluetooth to connect. Easy, isn't it? Yes. The cell phone should download the G-TiDE Fit Pro app, of course, and turn on the phone's Bluetooth. This brings our watch closer to our phone and find and connect the watch in the app and make sure that our phone's Bluetooth is connected to our watch. Once the watch is connected, we must set in the app to allow the smartwatch to receive notifications and keep the turn on state on, manually open the notification permissions and accessibilities in the app reminder. Then we go to page and choose the app. All should allow the G-TiDE Fit Pro app to run in our phone's background at all times to make a better synchronization of it. Then we can get SMS notifications, no problem. We open our phone's Bluetooth, we connect our watch with the app, and we must see it. The app finds the SMS reminder in the device page to turn on it. Authority, the G-TiDE Pro app running in the background in all the times the phone setting, and then it shows you SMS too, no problem. And we make easily go to customize our watch face. We make sure that the Bluetooth mode is connected, then we go to the G-TiDE Pro app. So we go to device, dials faces, customize the dial, and we select our own image, for example. We upload the picture, job's done. Or we can choose on a lot of faces in the app. After this, you can have fun with it, but this is only a workthrough to it. In my case, I connected with my iPhone and it works directly, no problem. We see 24/7 heart rate tracking. The advanced sensor can keep continuous the heart rate monitoring. We can read our heart rate accurately and effectively, and it helps us live better. Especially this applies to darkness skin as well, and it is much faster and more accurate. So no prob which color of the skin you have, because other smart devices have a little bit prob with dark skin, but here the heart rate monitor comes with all skins, no prob for it. Then we have a 300 milliampere big battery. This brings us a really long running time. And audio dial mode. When connected to our phone, we can control play, pause, previous, next track, and volume on our watch while playing music on the phone. The Bluetooth watch let us listen to music wherever we are. And this sports watch supports waterproof level. We can wear it to washing hands or even swimming without worrying about the fluid damage. We do not operate it in environment with corrosion liquids and hot steam, of course. And we can make a Bluetooth call. We can make and receive calls directly from our watch, or we reject them. In addition, it synchronizes our recent calls and can store up to 100 contacts. And we have a message reminder built in. We will never miss any important calls or messages. The smartwatch will vibrate to alert when we get a phone receiving calls, emails, SMS messages, or other message notifications from apps like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Instagram, and so on. And then we have here a full nice device to make our sports life better, to make our health life better, and to connect it more to our smartphone and easily. The charging plate is really cool. We adapt the wireless magnetic section charging here. It supports personal computer USB or a standard 5-volt charger, no problem. Fully charged, it will be in 2 hours only. We have a rotate button and an on-off button. This is really cool because we can rotate the button to go up and down on the face, and we can push it to on and off. And we have a sport mode button. This is the second button on the watch. This is to get access to the sport modes directly. We slide to the right to enter the main menu, for example. We choose the function, we slide to the right to turn to the main menu again if we like, or we choose the function, we slide to the left to return a startup interface. We slide left to enter the next function. So you can see it's really easy because you can use your fingers on this screen to navigate through the operation system. For example, we can slide up and down for shortcut pages on the first screen. To the left side, we go to the first screen, right, slide menu interface. In the center, this is the watch face. On the right, we slide activity data left on the first screen, for example, and go down for information and notifications. So you can see it's really intuitive to use, and it comes with a cool finish. It looks really cool. It is available in black and gray. This is the G-TiDE smartwatch. You can answer and make calls with it. We have a big battery installed, and this watch is possible to wear underwater. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.